Today we're doing a demonstration on the FlexiChef. This is one of the things, this is the cleaning lamps for the self-cleaning part of it. It sits in its own little housing underneath here. And it slots where you've got the lance arm. On the arm you've got the open lock, close lock. So you just place it under the close lock, turn it simply at the point, there and it's closed. And then bring up, I'll do it again, you get to choose 2 minutes, 5 minutes and intensive, which is 80 minutes. The 80 minutes is obviously something that you probably do at the end of the day, just to make sure it's really clean, and then walk out the kitchen and leave it. So there you go. All of that burnt on stuff is gone. And that's no chemicals, that's just high pressure water. It even gets up to the point of basically your seals, gets up to here, so it slushes out the seals. These can also be removed and then reinserted basically every maybe few months. You might want to take them out, just soak them in some hot soapy water,